I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss the 5 medical abbreviations with letter A. So let's begin. In this video lecture, we will discuss the abbreviations like AFB, AFO, AFP, AIDS, and ALP. So the first abbreviation is AFB. AFB, the full form of AFB is acid fast bacilli. These are the bacteria that resist decolorization by acid, and they are used to diagnose the tuberculosis and other mycobacterial infection. So the key test that you will find in the reports like AFB smear microscopy, acid fast bacilli smear microscopy, and AFB culture. So these are the tests, and the positive test, AFB smear microscopy or AFB culture test, it indicates that the patient has pulmonary tuberculosis. The next term is AFO. The full form is ankle foot orthosis, which is this is an appliance. It is a brace which support the ankle and the foot, and it is usually made up of plastic and metal, and it improves the mobility in neuromuscular disorders, and it is used for the gait stability. So, for example, in the post-stroke condition, this appliance, ankle foot orthosis, it is given. The next abbreviation is AFP, and the full form of AFP is alpha fetoprotein. So, it is a protein that is produced by the fetal liver and in certain tumors. So, it is a blood test, and the high alpha fetoprotein in the blood, it indicate in the pregnant woman, it indicate that the fetus has neural tube defects, while in the adults, this test is conducted to diagnose hepatocellular carcinoma. So elevated AFP mean alpha fetoprotein means either the child has neural tube defect, or in the adult there's a chance of hepatocellular carcinoma. The next term is AIDS. The full form of AIDS is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So the advanced HIV infections where the CD4 count is less than 200, or AIDS defining illnesses, it indicates that the patient has acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So there are opportunistic infections in the AIDS. For example, there's tuberculosis, there is fungal infections. The treatment of AIDS is antiretroviral therapy, also known as ART. The next term is ALP, which is known as the full form of ALP is alkaline phosphatase, which is an enzyme, and this enzyme is a liver or bone enzyme. So the alkaline phosphatase blood test, it is elevated in the liver conditions, it is elevated in hepatitis, for example, and in the bone disorders, the alkaline phosphatase is elevated in case of Paget's disease or in osteomalacia. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Hope this lecture is useful. Stay blessed.